What is that noise? It's 9 in the morning. Who's awake this early? The girls went to spend the night at their grandparents' house, so it couldn't be them. Anyway, welcome everybody to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and without further ado, let's go see what that noise is. Before we see, let me call. Hey, Mom. Yeah, are the girls still over there? Okay. No, I was just wondering if they were here because I heard some noises, so I thought it was them. Well, maybe it's just Tim. Alright, I'll go check. Okay, bye. Alright, she said that the girls are still over there. Let's go see what that noise is. Tim, are you up here? Uh-huh. Oh, Tim, you started working on the room? Yep, I got these shelves, a chair, and a table. I just had to put everything back together. But I didn't know what you wanted to do, what the layout was. Oh, no, that's fine. Let me go get dressed, and I'll be right back. Yeah, Tim is super duper sweet. He always tries doing stuff for me, and then always leaves a tiny bit left for me. That's my life. I put this one on with this vest. Alright, let's put these back up. Put these socks on. And then put these shoes on. These earrings. And then this necklace. Alright. Alright, let's put my glasses on. Here we go. Brush my teeth. Alright, done with that. Wash my face. Put it on. Curl my ends. Put some of this in my hair. And then just take one of these. Alright, now let me go help. Alright, what do you need me to do? I just wanted to make sure you were okay with the layout and stuff. So you can just watch and then see if you want me to move anything. Alright, you can start. Alright, so now I move these over here. I put these right there. Alright. Okay, so you can put, well, this is a small room. You can put the toy box right over here. Okay. Put the dresser right here, right against the wall. Put the rug right there, perfect. No, actually put the rug underneath the table. This over here. So now let me see, where is room for the crib? Yeah, seriously, we still have room. Alright, the crib can be right there. Also, we can see her once we look into the room. Alright, so now I'll just put things places. Alright, so we'll put these downstairs. Put this one in our room. You know what? We'll keep this downstairs. Put this stuff here. We'll just put it right here. There we go. Now that we're here, we might as well move the chairs around. Alright. Alright, we'll put these here. Alright, I'll go take a shower and then we can eat something before we go pick up the girls. Alright. I'll tell my mom that we're picking them up. Alright, we'll bring these clothes. And these shoes. Alright, let me get in the shower. Alright, let me blow dry my hair. And put on these clothes. Alright, put these over here. Alright, she said that was fine. So I put this here. And then where should I wear this purse or this purse? That one, right? Let me see. Alright, let's get a pan. This. Then we'll make some eggs. Here you go. Thank you. Alright, and then 2 of these cups will make coffee. This one. Alright, I'll take these and then we'll go get the girls. Anyway, thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment below. I have a name list in the comments, so if you could, please put down in the comments which name out of those names, or any name that you can think of, for the baby. And I put in the post a sneak peek of what the baby's gonna look like, and, so just look at that and decide what name goes with that the best. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!